Ironing can be time-consuming and tiring, but with the Andy Aeroboard, it becomes a breeze and it can cut up to 70% of your ironing time. Setting up the Aeroboard is very easy. Simply add a litre of water, switch it on, and wait for this green light to come on. Even though the unique patented design of the Andy Aeroboard stainless steel water tank allows you to use regular tap water, we recommend that you use demineralised water wherever possible. Now you've got real steam power at your disposal with a huge 3.5 bars of pressure. Let's get ironing. Shirts look great when they've been ironed properly, but how many times have you pressed creases by mistake, like this? Well, not anymore, thanks to some very clever Aeroboard technology. Just use this switch to turn on the steam and put the Andy Aeroboard into the inflate position. Now look at how you can move your iron in any direction over this inflated ball shape, and how it's practically impossible to get the creases wrong. This is a fantastic feature for those items that are difficult to iron, like a pair of trousers with pockets on both sides. Normally, if you press and iron on the bottom of a pocket, you'd leave a permanent mark. But the Andy iron includes this handy Teflon plate, which simply attaches to the sole of the iron. This Teflon plate allows the iron to just glide over the fabrics, and the appearance of shiny marks will be a thing of the past. You'll also be amazed at how easily and safely you can iron all those delicate items without worrying about burning or scorching them. Let's look at ironing something that's a real challenge, like this dark-coloured t-shirt with visible stitching, plastic prints and sequins. Normally, if I place my hot iron on the stitching, it'll leave a mark on the back of the t-shirt, while the plastic prints and sequins are virtually impossible to tackle with any normal iron. Simply turn on the steam to inflate the ironing board and work directly on the stitching and printed parts without the risk of damage or leaving marks on the front or the back. Do you want to see how the Andy Aeroboard can save up to 70% of your ironing time? Switch the board to suction mode, like this. Now take a pair of freshly washed and wrinkled jeans, fold the legs together and start ironing. The suction, combined with the 3.5 bars of steam pressure, will let you iron in just a few seconds, even up to 4 layers thick. You can do the same thing with sheets and pillowcases. Just fold them up like a handkerchief between 5 and 10 layers thick, and you'll be finished before you know it. The most powerful Aeroboard ironing mode is sandwich mode. This is where you activate the steam up pedal and use the steam of the iron. When you use sandwich mode, you'll be amazed at the ease and speed with which you can iron even your toughest garments. A feature of the Andy Aeroboard is its unique heating system, consisting of an aluminium zinc plate for even heat distribution. This eliminates steam condensation between the ironing board and cover. Vertical ironing? No problem. With the Andy Aeroboard's 3.5 bars of steam pressure, you can switch to permanent mode and iron your curtains, drapes, and even coats without removing them from the rails or hangers. How good is that? Now, if you really need to save time, the Andy Aeroboard has a patented hand ironing function, which allows you to use your hands and the steam up pedal to quickly iron or refresh garments. Just look at how easy it is to iron this t-shirt with a transfer. The patented Easy Iron Steam Air Cushion function automatically switches between steam blowing and extraction, leaving your garments dry and your hands free for ironing and folding at the same time. Brilliant! and only available on the Aeroboard. Let me show you how easily and simply the Aeroboard packs away. Just remove the cord from the holder and put it under the ironing board cover. Put the iron in the silicone boot, even if it's hot. Turn off the wall power switch and unplug the electrical cord. Use the lever to fold up and lock the Aeroboard and wheel it away. That's it. The Andy Aeroboard stands head and shoulders above any other ironing system. But it's the attention to details, like the 7 height settings, allowing you to iron sitting down, the completely enclosed multi-purpose fan, and the 6 unique ironing modes, including dry, deep, sandwich, delicate, vertical, and hand, that will not only give you outstanding results, but save you precious time. I hope you've enjoyed seeing the features and benefits of the amazing Andy Aeroboard ironing solution, and I thank you very much for your time.